Hi, I'm Ty Hamilton.
Hi, this is Rory.
And I'm Vanessa, and this is our fetal pig dissection. We have the head region where you'll find the eyes, the ears, the mouth, and the nose over here. And then we'll come down to the thoracic region where you'll find its limbs, its umbilical cord that's right here because it's a fetal pig. And then we'll come down to the sacral unit of the body and you'll find its tail and its hind legs back here. So we're going to make a Y incision, so we're going to cut right here. We're going to make a Y like that, and we're going to cut all the way down, and then we'll cut transversely here. This is the hair. It's a characteristic in mammals. The function of the hair is to include protection, regulation of the body temperature, and also for respiration. So this is the heart, the cardiovascular system, and this is the pericardium around it. It's this little flap. So the heart, it has 4 chambers inside, and then for the umbilical cord, since it is a fetal pig, there is a vein that connects. I don't know if you can see it. This vein right here, it's kind of cut. It'll go behind the liver all the way down, and it will connect to the umbilical, and that's how the pig gets its blood. Okay, so this is the human heart, but we're going to use it to represent the pig's heart. So this is going to be the aorta that's going to bring blood out into the pig, and then this is going to be the superior vena cava, and it will bring blood back into the heart and pump it out again.
So for respiratory, we have the nostrils and mouth, which helps take in oxygen as well as release CO2. Oxygen comes in through the mouth and nose and then down to the trachea, which is right here. So for the trachea, the cartilageous circles you see here help keep it open so that it helps you breathe, which is why you can get food stuck, you get cough, so on and so forth. Then you who's collected, comes back, which is pumped into the lungs, transferred back out the trachea, which is then released through the mouth. We have over here, which is the diaphragm. Whenever this contracts, the lungs spread open to help take in oxygen, and then whenever it's releasing CO2, it relaxes, letting the lungs go, which then expels it through the mouth and nose.
This is the mouth that uses to chew food and break down the food. And epiglottis is right here. It's a flap that allows the food to transfer to the pharynx. Which pharynx, when it goes to the pharynx, it goes to the esophagus. The esophagus transports the food to the stomach right here, which breaks down the food even more using hydrochloric acid, and which goes to the small intestines right here, which absorbs the nutrients of the food, and then medium, which connects the stomach to the small intestine. Here's the large intestines. It goes down here and into the anus, which defecates the waste. The small intestines, and it just demonstrates how long the small intestines are.
Okay, so this is the excretory system. So this is the bladder or part of the bladder, and then we're gonna have the kidneys. It'll go down to the hepatic vein, which is this guy right here, and then it'll go down through the urethra, and then it will be excreted through the penis, since our pig is a male.
Penis is used for urinary functions and also reproduction. Here are the testes that are also used for reproduction function.
So these 2 parts here, and as well as here are part of the thyroid gland, which is for metabolism for the pig as well as development throughout its life. Produces thyroxine. Alright, so this is a domestic dog brain, which is like a pig's brain, as in the size of the cerebrum is fairly large, which is good because pigs are able to learn, understand, so on and so forth, as well as the cerebellum, which is pretty decently sized. We then have the olfactory nodes, or bulb, which is used for smelling. Pigs have a distinctive sense of smell.